Hello everyone, today we are going to be reviewing educational technology apps that you can use in the classroom to increase motivation and enhance learning. So why use educational technology in the classroom? To engage students, spark student interest in content delivery, and activate higher order thinking and interactive activities that are actually fun for students and decrease boredom. Empower students. Implementing technology in the classroom differentiates instruction and is in line with UDL practices by adding representation of content delivery and expression. And build a sense of belonging. Social online platforms for students build collaborative learning and more community engagement, as well as stronger peer-to-peer relationships. So Pear Deck is the first app we're going to be reviewing today, an interactive presentation tool with a real-time response system to deepen student learning through collaboration, active participation, and motivation. Pear Deck builds engagement. Pear Deck adds a response element to instruction where students are prompted to think critically and make decisions. The decision element enhances deeper understanding and motivation to actively engage with the content. So the students are prompted to make a decision, to engage in some way, to think critically before moving on to the next piece. Self-regulated learning. The questions prompt students to be reflective in their learning process. Pear Deck has been shown to support self-motivated and active learning. Low-stakes effort. Students feel more successful and motivated to participate if they are able to respond freely and creatively with anonymous peer response sharing. So it's kind of like a chat-based system, so students can respond with in this chat or with creating something. It appears like in a chat system that shows anonymously to their peers. This low stakes element is totally aligned with Music Model's student success element of motivation, where students feel more successful because there are low stakes in their response. And they have that social element of getting recognition and affirmation from their peers. Ways to use Pear Deck. So there are three main ways to use Pear Deck in the classroom. The middle one is the most popular, so you can create your own. So you can use an existing file that you already have done and maybe have been using for a long time in your classroom, or you can create a whole new assignment. A newer feature is the create instant Pear Decks with AI. So you can use AI to generate a whole new slide with already made Pear Deck questions. So it'll tell AI what content you want, what type of questions you're looking for the students, and answer some questions, and AI will actually generate an entire assignment for you ready to go. And quick prompts. Quick prompts is really good for activating prior knowledge and adding student interest before a lesson, so more of a warm-up or journal-based activity, or it can be used as an exit ticket at the end of a lesson to assess learning. Pear Deck and Google Slides. So Pear Deck is compatible with Google Slides. When you add it as an extension to your toolbar in Google Slides, this toolbar will pop up that looks exactly like the one on the right. And you can add any questions to your presentation. Some of the response types you can add are text, multiple choice, number if you're doing math, website to add a research element, draw for a creative element, draggable, and audio. The audio feature is cool because it kind of goes both ways. Students can add their own audio, or you can add audio to the slide to add extra instruction or differentiate instruction. When you're ready to go and you have your slide ready, you can click Start Lesson and you'll be instructed to choose student paced or instructor paced. Students can easily join the lesson by going to joinpd.com and typing in the code. Record sessions, display student responses, and assess learning. Wayfinder. Wayfinder is an SEL curriculum, so SEL is social emotional learning. So SEL curriculum and resource app that uses higher order thinking skills to build belonging and emotional well-being in the classroom. Wayfinder uses CASTLE model for SEL. CASTLE's framework has a social emotional emphasis that works to support students to manage behaviors and emotions effectively to maintain motivation throughout learning and life tasks. Engaging activities. Wayfinder has a grade-based curriculum plans and topical lessons that engage students in reflection. And workbooks or online content. So there are workbooks available for purchase, but workbooks are not necessary since all the lessons are available virtually. Ways to use Wayfinder. So Wayfinder has grade level curriculum that span the entire year that you can work throughout the year, or you can use the topical lessons that you see in this collection element that is displayed on the screen, where you can just take lessons that kind of connect with different themes in your classroom. As you're kind of going through your own content, you can just add this as a supplement. And there are brain breaks available, different tabs like community belonging, community building, anti-bullying. You can create categories and collaborate with other teachers. So you go to My Collections, you can create new folders, add lessons to them, share the entire folder with colleagues, and your colleagues can actually add lessons to it as well. So you get the collaboration element. And video-based lessons that can just be added to your lessons as well. So inside a lesson, this is what it looks like. You have your kind of lesson plan. It shows you what you need, what the lesson's going to look like, how long the lesson takes to complete, to help you plan. And it comes with slide decks. So you click the slide deck. Again, it's no prep, so slide deck's ready to go. So you can edit if you want to, file, make a copy, and edit it, or you can just use it as it is and display for your class to complete. And students will be able to respond in their workbooks, or they can log into Wayfinder and go to assignments and student responses. And there are tons of graphic organizers and things for them inside the lesson. Seesaw. So Seesaw is a collaborative creation tool for students to reflect on instruction by creating their own content to post for peers. So Seesaw is really good for creating community and belonging in the classroom. It enhances classroom and school-wide community with a space that allows students to post creative projects in a safe online platform. Students may create or upload their work. Students may also have this open-ended creativity element. So Seesaw uses an open-ended response feature for students to upload creative content using differentiated tools aligned with UDL framework. Students and families may view content in real time. And peer-to-peer engagement. So students have an audience for their work and can comment on each other's creations in a way that has been shown to increase engagement and motivation in learning. Ways to use Seesaw. So Seesaw can be used with all these tools for students to create their own content. So what the educator needs to do is to create a classroom for students to enter using a QR code, assign projects, text, activities straight through Seesaw. Students have options, so it does incorporate student choice. Students may choose to upload their content that they've created on another platform directly to Seesaw, or they can use Seesaw's creation tools to draw, record, and annotate to design and create. This is perfect for large-scale creative project submissions or whole class activity-based instruction. And here are my references. Thank you for watching.